Good morning everyone, this is Christopher Dangani Petate and welcome back to my kitchen. And for today's video, we'll make an American pancake. First, in a large bowl, put 200 grams of flour. Add baking powder and sugar. After that, gumawa tayo ng well at the center, then add 3 eggs. After that, add 25 grams of melted butter and 200 ml milk. Then mix. And we're done, ready to cook ng ating pancake. In a frying pan, melt the butter. Yes. And then later, pour in rounds of the butter to make an 8 centimeters wide pancake. Cook the pancakes on one side for about 1 to 2 minutes or until lots of tiny bubbles start to appear and pop up on the surface. Flip the pancakes over and cook for a further minute on other side. Repeat until all the butter is used up. After cooking, arrange the pancakes on plate. For our topping, we'll make a chocolate ganache. First, add cocoa in a saucepan and sugar. Then, add cornstarch and salt and mix. After that, add milk. After mixing, cook the chocolate ganache on a low heat of fire until thick. After cooking, pour the chocolate ganache on a separate bowl. And put on top of our American pancakes. You can also use honey or maple syrup. And for the toppings of your choice, you can add cooked bacon, chocolate chips, blueberries, or peanut butter and jam. But for me, I add Cheerios. And we're done. Ready to serve na ang ating American pancake. Thank you for watching and God bless us all. Bye!